Milton Friedman and F.A. Hayek both defended democratic capitalism. They argued that it's the political economy best suited to our desires for freedom and material well-being. Irving Kristol offered a friendly critique of their arguments. Kristol's concern was not with what Friedman and Hayek saw in capitalism and in its 20th century alternative socialism. His problem was with what they didn't see in human nature. Kristol's point is that few will stay loyal to a social system that lacks compelling ideals. No one is inspired by appeals to naked self-interest. Capitalism has worked in cultures suffused with the bourgeois virtues of hard work, thrift, respect for others, and fair dealing. Without those virtues, it can't survive for long. Friedman and Hayek defended capitalism in terms of individual freedom, but in doing so, Kristol argued, they severed the link between capitalism and virtue. Kristol's title alludes to a 19th century critique of Northern capitalism by Southerner George Fitzhugh, when virtue loses all her loveliness. What Kristol saw in the radicals of the 1960s and 1970s could be written about today's discontents. What they are saying is that they dislike, to put it mildly, the liberal, individualist, capitalist civilization. John Maynard Keynes said something similar to this about intellectuals' attraction to Soviet communism in the 1930s. He wrote, "Communism is not a reaction against the failure of the 19th century to organize optimal economic output. It is a reaction against its comparative success. It is a protest against the emptiness of economic welfare, an appeal to the ascetic in us all to other values." This leaves us with a troubling question. Is there a dynamic in capitalism, the system that best provides material prosperity and individual freedom, that erodes its moral foundations?